In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlap images in Google Docs. If you've ever tried placing images in a Google Doc and felt limited by the formatting options, you're not alone. Sometimes the default settings can make it tricky to achieve the look you're going for, especially when you want images to overlap or appear layered. But don't worry, with a few simple adjustments, you'll be able to have your images overlap just the way you want them. Let's begin by looking at your document. You'll notice that when you insert two images, they initially appear side by side or one above the other without any overlap. This is because Google Docs sets the text wrapping to the default alignment, which keeps images from interacting too closely. Our goal is to change this so that the images can artfully overlap. First, you'll need to click on the first image. When you select it, you'll see options pop up underneath or to the side of the image. Look for an icon that says Wrap Text. This is crucial because when we choose this setting, it allows the text, and in this case, other images, to freely move around it. Once you've selected Wrap Text, you'll notice another setting that appears right next to it labeled Margin. By default, this is usually set to a number other than 0, which means there is a space around your image that prevents anything from overlapping it. We need to change this margin to 0. Why? Setting the margin to 0 minimizes the buffer space around your image, giving you more control over how images and text interact. After you've adjusted the margin for the first image, you'll need to repeat this process for the second image. Click on the second image, implement the Wrap Text setting, and adjust its margin to 0 as well. By doing these steps for both images, you're ensuring that each image can overlap freely with the other. And there you have it. If you look at the images now, you'll see they can overlap perfectly. This approach allows for more dynamic and creative presentation of visual content within your documents. Whether for a school project, a work presentation, or just for fun, overlapping images can help you make a statement and bring your document to life. Keep in mind that these changes make no permanent alterations to your images. You can always click back on them and adjust the margins or wrapping styles at any time. This flexibility gives you the freedom to experiment and find the perfect arrangement for your images. And that's how you overlap images in Google Docs. It's a straightforward process that, once mastered, gives you a significant upgrade in formatting finesse. Remember to play around with different configurations and have fun with the design possibilities. Thanks for watching.